Welcome back, students. Today we are going to study present continuous tense, and in other words, we also say to it present progressive. So this tense is used for actions that are happening around now. I'm speaking it again. This tense is used for actions that are happening around now. For example, your friends are outside of your home and they are waiting outside. Your brother enters in your house and says that your friends are waiting for you. Okay, so it's mean that is a present condition and continuous condition that they are still waiting. So in this way you will use present continuous. Okay, but not necessarily at the time of speaking. Sometimes when you are speaking something, so it is not compulsory that a specific action is happening. For example, if I say Mr. Harry is writing a novel, so it's mean that he started. It is not compulsory that at the time of speaking he is writing. Okay, so this is a just general thing. So the second definition of present continuous, this tense is used to talk about people's plans or arrangements for the future. What students make mistake, they use future indefinite, okay, or future continuous. So that would be a big mistake. You have to use present continuous for your plan or arrangements for the future. Like, I am going to my hometown on Sunday. It's mean that you have planned in upcoming week on a specific day. So you will use present continuous. I hope you get it. So now we come onto the structure. Here we shall add helping verb is or am. With I, you will add am. With he, she, it, or singular noun, you will add is. And with we, you, they, and plural noun, we use are. When I talk about singular noun, it's mean if you are in the room and there is just one air conditioner in your room, so that one air conditioner is a single noun, singular noun. And if there are more than one light in your room, so you can say that are plural noun. Okay, if there are two lights, three lights, so that are plural noun. So he, she, it, we use is as a helping verb, and with we, you, they, we use are. So after we will add ing with base verb, and then it would become present participle. So the structure is first subject comes, then helping verb, after present participle, and at last object comes. Such as I have explained what is subject, verb, and object. If you have not watched my present indefinite tense video, so I would advise you that you should go first over there, watch present indefinite tense video first, and then come on to this. So I am working. Okay, if I have to add objects, so I can say I am working in the bank. Okay, he is working in a farmhouse. We are working in a mill. And for negative sentences, we add not after helping verb, like is not, am not, are not. They are not playing football. Okay. He is not playing football. And for interrogative, we add is, are, am at the start of the sentence, like is he getting good grades? Are they playing football? Okay. So if you have any question, you can ask me in comment. I will give you answer definitely. So bye for now. Take care.